Northern Gas Networks safely delivers gas to 2.7 million customers across the north of England. We don't generate gas, but transport it through a vast network of underground pipes. Many of our pipes are now over 100 years old, and to ensure our customers can continue cooking on gas for generations to come, these pipes now need replacing. In fact, over the next few years, we'll replace around 3,800 kilometres of old metal gas mains with modern plastic equivalents. The gas mains in your street have been earmarked for an upgrade and will soon be arriving to replace them with more durable alternatives that will ensure the continued, safe and reliable supply of gas to your home. We know that no one likes roadworks, so this short film, alongside the enclosed letter and leaflet, aims to answer any questions that you may have about why we're working in your area and how the work will affect you. You'll first see us a few days before our work is due to start, when we arrive on site and drop off all of the equipment required to complete the job, including sandbags, cones, barriers and signage. We'll store this out of the way of roads and driveways and secure it so that it is safe. Shortly after, you'll receive a visit from one of our customer care officers who will talk to you about the work and answer any questions you may have about what's involved. If you're not at home, we'll leave a card to let you know that we called and a number to contact us on if you would like any more information. Two types of gas pipe run beneath your feet. The gas main, which is usually found in the pavement or road, and the service pipe, a smaller pipe that runs beneath your home, garden or driveway and connects your property to the gas mains. One or both of these may need replacing, so before the work starts, one of our specialist engineering teams will visit your street to investigate exactly what needs to be done. Unfortunately, whether we're replacing the small pipe that feeds your house or the large main in the street, we will need to switch off your gas supply for a few hours while we carry out the work. Don't worry, we'll be sure to give you 48 hours notice before your gas needs to go off. Our customer care officers will be on hand to ensure we provide additional support to those who need it, including the elderly and those with a disability or impairment, such as providing electrical heaters and hot plates. We'll need access to your meter to switch off your gas supply, and if your meter is inside your home, we may need to ask you to wait in for us so we can get to it. We work very hard to minimise any inconvenience caused, and most of our work will take place in the highway or footpath. However, if we need to replace your service pipe, we may need to work in your garden or driveway. Where possible, we will dig a small hole and run the new plastic pipe through the old metal gas main, a clever technique called insertion. Then we'll connect the new pipe to the gas main and install a new emergency control valve handle on your meter. We'll take great care to return everything to normal once the work is complete, including relaying paving, turf or tarmac. Then we'll carry out a visual check of your appliances, including looking for signs of carbon monoxide before we switch your supply back on. For safety reasons, we always do this bit ourselves. Sometimes we need to lay a brand new pipe alongside the existing main and fit a new meter box. If we have to do this, we'll talk to you about the best position for your meter box. It could be inside or outside your property, depending on the location of your pipework. If we do have to work inside your property, we'll let you know in advance, and our trained engineers will put down dust sheets to protect your floor and use all of the appropriate equipment to carry out the job safely and efficiently. We may need to remove floorboards to access the internal pipework, but our engineers will take care to return everything to normal once the work is complete. We'll always take great care to fill any holes that we dig. Please be assured that whenever we replace tarmac, paving or grass, we will do our best to find a match that is as close as possible. Once all of the services in your street have been replaced, we will need to switch off the gas for a second time, while we safely connect the new plastic gas pipe to the mains. We'll make sure we let you know in advance that we'll be turning it off. Once that's done, we can connect you to the gas. One of our engineers will then need access to your property to turn the gas back on at the meter. We'll check the supply is flowing at the correct pressure and carry out a visual check of your appliances, and that's it. Your new pipes will last for decades to come, and you shouldn't see us again. We hope this short film has helped you to understand the reason for the vital work that we do and what's involved. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. We'd love to hear from you.